Yeah, that you were gonna ask on the first podcast.
Yeah. That. Okay, so these are some of the questions I asked on my first dates or first encounters of
Yes,
my potential romantic interests.
yes, so let me clarify again. I again have never seen those questions, and she will be telling those questions and potentially asking me about those questions, and we'll see how that goes. Yeah?
Yes. Okay, so let me start by the question one.
Alright, go on.
Me and Jeannie, you're walking down
Alright,
the
I'm
road.
ready.
Okay.
Ooh, I'm ready.
Yes. You're walking down the road. There is no one,
Okay, I'm
and
walking
there
down the
you
road now.
encounter five
Does a car hit
portions.
me?
Yeah, you. Okay. You're my date here. Come on. So the first portion is of wealth.
Oh, okay.
Second
I mean,
portion is of
just
wisdom.
because I'm your date doesn't mean I'm invincible. A car can still hit me.
Yeah, your voice was again cracking. Repeat,
Yeah.
repeat.
A car can still hit me. Just because I'm your date doesn't mean I'm invincible.
Of course, I mean, when you will be in a relationship with me, you will be invincible. We'll be the
Oh,
invincible couple. Okay. Let's get on with the questions. Come on. Okay. So you are going on a road, and there you have five portions. The first is of wealth. The second is of wisdom. The third is of glory. The fourth is of love, and the fifth is of health. All right. So you can drink one of it, and you'll get it. Fifth is of power. Sorry, not health. Power. In the power with I mean like not the physical muscle power. I mean the power. Alright. So which one will you choose? And you can choose just one. And you have to give
it's either
reasons
between.
why you chose
Yeah,
that.
it's simple. It's simple. It's either between money or power. Because even if you have money, you can literally have power. And if you have money, you can literally hire someone to be the brains of your operation. Like just get a CEO, a person who will work under you with that kind of money, and that person using his brain,
Like
using his smartness will increase my wealth even more, and which will result in all the power I can get. And talking about love, I don't really care. Talking about health,
no.
give me, inject me with all that expensive steroids, you know. I'm all for it. And when I'm old, just freeze me into Cairo or whatever that is, yeah. So I'll just wake up in the future, you know, say I'm money
What about
locked in.
glory and wisdom? Why not them?
I mean, if I'm rich, I'll just be famous. I'll just be like Elon Musk. I'll just share memes on the internet. And I'll be like, yeah,
Okay,
I'm
glory
famous,
is not
congrats.
fame exactly, but yeah, you can arguably say so, alright. And why not
Yeah,
wisdom?
so yes. See, I chose, yeah, I know, I'm big brains. I chose the best possible answer. Moving on to next question. Go on,
Alright.
I nailed it. I knew I would do that. I'd be amazing at dates. Go on.
Alright.
But wait, why am I choosing about options on a date? Shouldn't I be focusing on my date instead?
Your date wants to know you. Your date asked you something and you
Ah,
are ought to
fair
answer
enough,
that.
fair enough. Fair enough,
See,
go on.
this
What's
tells
the
a lot
second
about
question?
the
Hit
other
me.
person, what he needs, what is his thought processes, rather than what is your favorite color, what do you do in the day, like that. Shit. Yeah,
Yeah, I didn't like that. Didn't like that at all.
yeah, right.
Go on, ask me the second question
Okay,
then. I'm ready.
alright. Think we are sitting in a restaurant, looking at each other, eye to eye, alright. All romantic and serious stuff. And then I just ask, have you ever killed anyone? Quickly answer that.
Maybe.
Have you ever killed anyone? Quickly.
Maybe.
What does maybe
I
mean?
just did.
Yes or no?
Well, for political reasons, I might or might not be able to disclose it. You never know.
We are on a first date.
And if you
We are on the first
and
date.
you will find out soon if you do decide to run away from this date. All I'm saying.
See, see. I would like to make a comment here, but not on the open platform. So yeah, I'll just message you after sometimes. After this podcast recording is over. See,
Oh boy, we're just gonna get ourselves into so much trouble. But it's okay, no one watches our video anyways. We barely have 5 subscribers, which is like most of you and me. So yeah, go on.
exactly.
Ask me the third question.
Of course, of course. The third question would be, what are some of your insecurities that you may or may not
Excuse me.
may not
Excuse me. First and
let me complete. What yeah, do not interrupt me on first date. I hate that. What would be some of your insecurities or some of your flaws or some of your concerns that you may project on me or our relationship if we go further?
I'll be like, why are you thinking about all the negative stuff already? Let me tell you about the positive stuff. The stuff we should be focusing on. Why are we talking about all the insecurities and all the flaws? No, you know what? Let's talk about what we would do for each other. Let's talk about all the positive things. How about that?
I know what we would do
Exactly.
for each
See,
other.
our big brain did again.
I know what we would do for each other. That's the reason why I'm here. I know the pros of a relationship, but I do not know the cons of being with you. That's why before jumping
Yeah,
right
big
in, I want to
brained
get an
again. I
idea.
refuse to comment on that because I already big brained it. Moving on to the next question. I already big brained it. All right.
I guess
No need.
I
for
guess I
anything.
guess we should now order. The question answer session is quite over.
Yeah. Go
I'll
on.
save some
What's
for the
the
second date, you know.
fourth question? Yeah. Go on. Ask me the fourth question.
As I said, let me save some for the next date. आज ही सब जान लेना है.
For the next, wait, we're not gonna continue it in the next podcast, are we?
Maybe we will. Maybe we will not.
Uh,